If you put your life on the line to rescue people in the toughest conditions, this is for you. Introducing the Retmex Nomex Model. This Retmex is designed to rescue wounded and unconscious people in critical situations, such as house fires, riots, and terrorist attacks. If individuals cannot escape independently due to injuries, you need to have access to the right equipment to help you do the job. You can easily clip the Retmex to your clothing or other parts of your gear to make transport quick and easy. A unique strap system keeps the Retmex in the right spot and allows you to quickly open it in case of emergencies. To transfer a victim onto the Retmex, you can use the log roll technique and place the rescue sheet in the person's back. After making the transfer, make sure that the person is positioned in the center of the Retmex. Now secure the victim using the buckles on the longitudinal sides. You can easily slide the victim to a safe area using the straps at the head end and the handles on the feet end. You can even go down a flight of stairs. When you look at the Retmex, you see an advanced construction of fire-retardant webbing, which ensures spreading of the victim's weight. The retro-reflective straps ensure visibility in the dark and in areas filled with smoke. The side handles can be used to transfer a victim to a stretcher or a brand card. The rescue sheet is lightweight and small without compromising on quality or safety. And after usage, you can easily clean the Retmex in the washing machine. Oh, and there's one more thing. We've added an extraordinary function to the Retmex, which will make the Retmex a 2-in-1 rescue solution. When a person's clothing is on fire, you can use the Retmex to extinguish the flame. In other words, the Retmex has similar capabilities to a fire blanket. This unique feature is a result of the internal chemistry of the fabric using world-class meta-aramid fibers, Nomex and Kevlar. Nomex creates heat and flame protection, which is inherent to the Nomex fiber. It can't be washed out or worn away. The same goes for Kevlar. And even though the fabric is extremely thin and lightweight, Kevlar also provides extra strength to the Retmex when sliding through rough terrain. The unique combination of top-notch materials and the double function makes the Retmex one of a kind. It can help you conquer the most critical situations and ensure that no one gets left behind. The Retmex is designed in close collaboration with firefighters from the Netherlands and Belgium. So now, it's time to make the Retmex part of your rescue kit. Retmex leaves no one behind.